today is a very exciting day. I finally got my fat iron cellulite reducing and body toning device in the mail. The FedEx truck brought it today, even though it's Saturday. I ordered this, gosh, I think it was back in June. So it's now October 3rd. I waited a really long time, so I'm really excited. And I wanted to show you what comes in the box. It comes all nicely packed up here. There's an instruction manual and a cleaning cloth and a bottle of the gel primer that you've got to use with the machine. And I actually ordered 3 more bottles of this that will be coming, because if you run out of that, you can't use your machine. And this is the actual fat iron. Wow, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. This is so cool. So it kind of looks like a iron, but for the body. Okay, and then it's got, looks like this is the charging stand. And then it comes with the adapter plug. So I'm going to read the directions and see if I need to charge this up before I start using it. And my next video, I will show my first time using it.
This is fat iron. What does it do? Take a wild guess. Exactly. It irons off your fat, and in only 15 minutes a day. But that's not all. It also irons those stretch marks and saggy skin you get after a diet. And the best thing, it's FDA cleared and it really works. See for yourself. How does fat iron work? Well, just like the iron you know does, a regular iron removes the wrinkles from your clothes by slowly going over them with heat. Fat iron was created with the same concept minus the burning heat. It works to strengthen and tone muscles while smoothing and firming the deeper layers of the skin to give you a beautiful, young, and sculpted look. During the clinical test, the efficiency of fat iron was undeniable. 90% reported fat dimples to be less apparent. 88% reported firmer looking and feeling skin. 89% reported smoother skin. And 89% felt more confident after using fat iron. Now, you could turn to clinical non-surgical solutions because they also really work, but then you'd just be paying thousands of dollars for them to add wires, a massive stand, and a fancy screen to a device that will get you the same results. Fat iron uses the same technology, but instead of expensive bulky machinery, it's affordable, comfortable, for home use, and only requires 15 minutes a day. That's right, only 15 minutes a day. We know you want to hear the science behind it, so let's get to the deeper layer, shall we? Fat iron is the only device combining radiofrequency electromuscle stimulation and photon red light therapy, 3 powerful clinically proven technologies that help eliminate stubborn fat and remove pesky stretch marks. First, the radiofrequency heats up and gradually destroys targeted fat cells, reducing fat levels. Electromuscle stimulation then sends gentle pulses to firm and tone the muscles while tightening your skin. We even added a special fitness mode that mimics a full fitness workout without the effort. Fat iron will change automatically from warm-up to toning to cool down, giving you similar results as in the gym. Finally, the photon red light therapy, a technology also used by NASA, uses specific wavelengths to help increase cell renewal, remove stretch marks, and body wrinkles. These energy sources work together to stimulate collagen and elastin, 2 proteins which are key to rejuvenating your skin, making it look firm and young. Fat iron is the only FDA-approved home-use product that is certified to destroy fat cells, minimize wrinkles, cellulite and stretch marks, and improve the appearance of your skin. All of that while being safe, painless, and affordable. If you want to start ironing your fat and wrinkles off, get your fat iron now.
Okay, I'm back to use my fat iron for the first time. I'm gonna focus on my stomach today. As you can see, after having 2 kids, I've got lots of flab there. Okay, and I've also had 2 C-sections. So this is the area that I'm going to start. I don't really feel like I have excess hair because they say to shave off excess hair, but I don't feel like I need to do that. So let me get this gel open here. Guess I should have done that before I started my video. Oh, I had that turned on the way I wanted it, but it turned itself off. I can't get this open. There we go. Okay. So I plan on using this device. I'm going to like kind of sit up a little bit. I plan on using this in all the modes at once. This is kind of scary because I don't really know what I'm doing, but this is kind of like the gel that kind of like the gel that you use when you get an ultrasound. Woohoo! It's cold. All right, and they said put a good amount on the machine itself too. All right, I think I did. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn all 3 modes on. And I'm going to start with number 3, intensity. And I think it's just supposed to start on its own, isn't it? Let's see. I read through this book before I started. The red light's definitely on. Let's see here. Getting started. Okay. Hold the power and mode button for 2 to 5 seconds to turn on the device. I did that. Repeat and press the power and mode button to select different modes. Okay. Okay, I can feel it. It's working. It's starting to get warm. Attach the treatment surface to the skin. Okay, feel a mild sensation of warmth. That's what I'm feeling, is the mild sensation of warmth. Move the device in gentle massage, like linear motions, on the designated area. Okay, so it's working. The red lights are on. I'm thinking this is gonna... A beeping sound will occur when the device switches to different modes. Okay, it's interesting what it feels like. You can kind of feel the heat on the hairs. I have it on intensity level 3. I think that's as high as I'd feel comfortable going at this time, just because I don't know what to expect. Okay, so I guess right now it's just in the first mode, mode 1, RF and red lights. Reduce the appearance of cellulite while treating the skin to reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is not one of my big cellulite areas, but it is one of my big fat holding areas. So we'll see how it does. My butt and the back of my legs is more where and upper arms is more where my cellulite areas are. So I can't wait to dig into those too. Okay. So far this is pretty darn easy. I'm just rubbing it around, and I'm going to use it for the full 5 minutes, and I believe it shuts itself off after 5 minutes. I am one happy girl.